Uba Meral Bonds MLA ke UDP na nong po khakhasan trek we yong aja penrio ula kan hit teng yo bawan mi khmat na company ke basim kontrak ban pentrai ke surok na umdan se bernihan ke bala pentrai na skim PMGSY kani ke chicken hit Uba Meral Bond kalong hapreng kapor udang curip ke jingshina surok rengkat ki officer haga ba bawan mi khmat na company MP Agarwal Company Limited ulawan andla chan kot ke jing curip utai bo mi khmat na company Maripoi ula sedang ban batai hapreng kat bau MLA udang ekran bagi officer bat kinang lam shnong kabla penbitar bat penlong MLA ban kin hit kemban sipukan mau bagatai ke surok kebadan live fra point 2 kilometer ke peniso na umdan marman cedu bernihan lamang hak jinglot ke balong saupunyo point arpo klor tengka hakani ke jingjurem nagalyang girang ba shnong klayalam MLA bagi ke officer ban kedawi ke benta basniu bar senator ti de company nagalyang MLA ulai toru bah kam hadu mentak ladap kemban 4% ai bagadi ke jingjurem kam simla penhun yu habau yu i ke jingduna.
I know, whatever, but he was assigned, you just came now.
Okay.
So don't poke your nose everywhere.
Done.
You got my point.
Understood.
I'm here to inspect myself today, to
Done.
have a ground reality.
Right.
So kindly respect that.
Okay.
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 Now, as per the report, 24.100. This is that portion. Okay. And here, it has been rectified. We understand. But selaru fi ibu fi batai, ai batai belum batai, teng kelumar gini ya, batai kelumar. Nai batai kelumar. Saya, this is the point of patience for me also. I've been watching, so you kindly take note. Baru kalau muda. Buat yang kumuli beripe jiki ayu ni. Yeah, observing whatever report I'll give, also I'll give more. You also whatever you have find out today, you have this change. You have take note. Today we came for rectification, for explanation. His person to explain whatever we have come all this. Now we are about to finish.
Understood.
Okay. And whatever we have observed today, it is as per observation. It is not up to the mark. Whatever the work we have inspected, we have got report ground reality, report from commissioner, report from the headman, report from everybody. Keeping in mind all this, we have to rectify things. It has to get done. Just now we complete at the change of 14.300. 14.300 also there are issues. In which local handmen they say FDR किया ही नहीं यहाँ तो वहाँ तो नहीं किया है कि नहीं? We have find out personally we have seen there is cross drain also there. All those has to be rectified.
FDR नहीं किया
उसमें कलबट नया करके बनाया एफडीआर होने के बाद वापस 10 कर
All those things are there. Not in this. I'm not talking about the intermediate part. That is fine. We understand right from the system that has been laid down. After FDR, direct it comes this MSS 20 mm. Even me, as I am of
Only
the
20,
opinion.
yes.
Yeah, I am of the opinion that it has to be the same as that one. BM is there. After BM, there is MSS. Really speaking, it wouldn't be. You cannot restrict vehicle. You say above 12 ton don't fly from this road. You cannot say that.
There is a reason behind it, sir. I'll just explain to you. Try to explain. Actually, when we prepared DPR, na state prepared, because I am working in PMGSY for last 25, 30 years, right? So when you prepare DPR, you propose, okay, we need this much, this much, this much. Then Delhi wala people, they will simply restrict, cut down. You will say, you bring it to 1 crore rupees. That is my limit. And straightforward. You do it in 20 mm, whatever rest the state will bear subsequently.
Try your thought. So two of you. Ani haning ke FDR. Ketu balik hindu hilang wadu arpo em. Mentai nujur pi ni bagati ka intermediate lane. Ati yo fair ka. Ati mars ndep ke FDR. Sanfo mm le ejma ketu ka BM. Bituminous macadam. Kawan ketu. On top of that then kawan ka kani ka MSS 20 mm. Askem bhaga ketu re. Ati kemudian no issue on that. So this one, there are multiple issues on this. So we have to work together. Report, rectification, justification. We have to give all this. So keeping in mind, not only from the department, not only from the firm who have been awarded this work, not only from the headman, yalam sunong murah habis tulang gini common issue ka ba? Happen ya. Kun bejlang. Namar ba kajing duna ka. Arpo em de gitu tang arpo em de ka. Tegani kalau dia na do ko por design ni kani. time to time designing, there is an issue here. That's personally what I felt. Even though having said that, still as much as we can, we have to rectify and so that even the headmen also they will be satisfied with whatever that has been done.
This culvert was there. There was an existing culvert that was working. We told them we'll clean this one, we'll use this one. Then no, there is a they need
I
there.
think this particular portion, no, you have to do that conventional
Conventional
style.
method.
You leave this FDR thing everywhere like this.
Yes, yes.
Leave this.
We'll do
Go
conventional.
for the conventional only. Put metal, roll it properly, then give primer coat, layer by layer. You do that. This kind of places.
Because this is happened because this culvert generally sir question will be 600 like from the top 600 to 700 down culvert should be there. But this culvert is very deep down sir. Because of that sir. When we ruled it also it may not be proper. Because deep down we will there.
We apply some material.
Like
Cement.
lệ không ta? Vẫn compact đấy.
Before 600, we
Like
apply
this,
some.
so near. Direct on soil, how it will be? What is the compactness?
Jadi ini buat kini kesuruh, kadang ibadah sekarang tu bakala, baga, nampak cahaya kerja sekarang tu bakala jom di baru, baga kini kesuruh kadang naik uprak, 100 kilometer, sedang nomden kan kut ceruk cene bercerni, hari ini kesuruh don ar benda ke 10 kilometer, gade internet links, pada specification hang ni, kai pair nak ketika berangsa ke single lane, baru uprak 100 kilometer, hari ini ke internet link, kadang ke FDR. Hajrong ke FDR don saga BM ke basan PMM par hajrong ke ni ke BM don saga MSS mixed surfacing ke ba RPO MM ka total thickness jong ke ni ke carpeting work ke bang ya ban ong mo ke flexible language ke don new pio ha ke jing bat ke ta nadu ba kut ke pio dum tar pan hadu lai ko kra po nyu dum tar ke ke single lane ha ke ni ke single lane part e pair kalau gum ni single lane ke don ke FDR par hajrong ke ta ke FDR dontang RPOMM ke thickness ke mixed surfacing MSS ni ong dontang RPOMM kata ke ke jing pair pair ba naga internet lane jaga single lane kita ke de main ke pair la se le se ke ba ong boleh bahang ni ke karben hang te ki khamseng barben ke long kata karkum ke DPR ber pair ni konsultan ke long tang hutai ni lai train sang ban tre kat kumba kat kum ke DPR bala approve daga Ministry of Road Transport jong kan RPA. Kan kita jadi cai kan dia nak kalian jong peludi. Agak jadi dia buat specification jong ketika surau kemudian senapur bala berapa poin 2 kilometer. Maka jadi tu na rumah ada mesin jadi mesin jadi la fix baik thickness jong mesin gelong RPOMM ada tu single lane. Dan bentar ke don haduk lai POMM ru. Tang yang lawan dong mo ke pung ting ke kayak kat kum ke Jaka, kat kum ke man ke long ke surau he. Mereka thickness more or less na iga biang jadi pejong kan 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 soi kadon ke lawan ong 1% R% hang ni tai kadon be jadi thut jing im lawan ong ba ka biang 100% re 95% ngong ba ka surok na ji pejong na ka biang ka thickness itu ke bakat kum ka 20 mm thickness jadi sa kum itu kapdon na DPR te tekin si pej kan mon nek tu im persang itu re ka DPR ban ong ba dia dai ka tu mau pawan na neng rum ni kam don DPR kam don estimate don ong in pressure than kon korban leru ngim donut than namar badon ki unforeseen item ki babon bahab le bdi kata ngalai i ba ki kum kita ken ro bangi men neru kadon kelong critical ha kum kitu ki gat post kita di don ki bom don DPR ngil request u ban le tang ban yo ka safety point namta ban like ken kita ki mau bahab ban ngin control u tau mau tanya ong te kalang ban ban jawab kata kali dong ha ini persang hingga orang pay kalau gumdong kan le adalah bat take up immediately te well and good ladam la tengin si pay kalau gumdong menurut banong marba beyond dah gabor jong ni ke
Ngira yo alat ban di jengok ban jurip ande ban inspect ya ka surok ka bana umden samarman terter ban mi sidu skoi kuna ban connect ke Sunapur kedi ka second phase jom ka NUS bat ka jingjrong jong kani kalong lai phupra point ruspa meter bat kani ke scheme ke bala penmang lang baka PMGSY te ngilai yo ban pej ban khmi ban jurip ke deng surok ag jing don rengkat nagaliang jong Astan Commissioner jong Garib District Akash Marang key officer nagaliang jong ka PWD apo ke jingelam jong ipa diteriang IBDU estate engineer ban DPAU jong ka Riboy district bupe ya ka PMDSY lembat official gi jong i gi ya senran lang kumju ru ha ke jing senran lang bat ka senjuk kirang ba snong rut wa umpli bat kiri orang ba bat ka firm dan kontraktor ba pentre ya kan ka kam hadin ba kaladon ka city ka bagila tho changa kom MLA la tho district administration na ka banta bagidon ki jingduna ha jing pentre ya ka kam ka jing bombiang ha jing pentre de na ka daw ka ba panlong yang ni bindon na ka ski haswa jong ne ru na do bangi yo ka city ila ya slok bat udisi ila ya phone ha ka ba ngidang yakut om ngin pha shwa ban inquiry ya ka project kena kaliang i deputy commissioner ila ha astan commissioner ban de ya ka inquiry ha kini ki benai ki beladep bala pendep inquiry lalap ya gitu gi change ki ba pair ya ki ba don gi jinduna ki ba ni hab ban penbit penbiang kan pensyai pi akan dia ha beri begini gini gi jinduna ki ba bun ki bangilap ki de ya kane ka surok kabana marman terter seduk sya jokhoi kuna kabadi ke single lane te kati kabadi ka fast path jong kane ka PMGSY kabadi 10 kilometer kabadi intermediate lane ka beteng ya kate ka nongpo umden bana umden chakmat 10 kilometer hang tu ki bledon han ki issue ki jinduna ne tai bala masutu ndre ki don ki issue ki bubun ki bai dei bat kane ka stretch na do na marman terter sya do bani cha jokhoi kuna bande cha sonapur kabadi ka single lane kepada jingjrong ga jongka kalong arpo pra point beruspa kilometer te gitu kimat kibala kedo haka report mene gilapet kibadon kam ya ka jing address nagaliang jong firm company go pentre ban rectify ya gatu ban ya lapidon gijaka kibala dep ban rectify kidon gijaka gibadang sa bagidon gijaka gibatmai ro gibangilap bagdon gijingduna jing pentre ta daw ngila simkhia gani bat ngila betha ya firm ga pentre kumju ru ya department ru kum ga implementing agency bakin page bahai ka kam bat bahaban pentikna bat ba nagaliang jong ka company ne ka firm ga pentre ru kila kular bakin pendep di komponen laknum na hapo jong ka life hoterik jong ne benai April but kidang don kiwi rugimat kiba di sabar ng perview yung DPR ru kiba ngilalam kiba ngisem akiba ngilang don hagaji keren ban yele kat bala ban address si curu namnut ban ong 4% biang lu ngadong sedong teh andre kat bala persang ban address khamtam ya gijing pensngo jong kirang ba snong kiwi pajba kinong lek kinong wan hab kisem ki the phone yang ni kita pa ada city dat tetep ini haban sengap markini kiki baro kasurok kadi kabadon kam budlum jong gayo kakot habagawan kadi men serve na kawanta kadi mentoy pojba kasurok kadi kawala senang ba kapisa jeng pojba ai bar kadi nam kadi mentoy jong pojba na kata kadaw ni dakwa balong ba haba pentre ya ganeru kasurok ben long kababit kababiang kab internet bar kab ai jeng hun ya ki nong song snong kata kadi ka jeng tumu ko chalendet tinggal yo ban page ban kmi ya ka ni kasurok ka sing te kindon ni technical issue gimana kaliang jong extreme engineer DPAU jong riboy ba yang in sabatai haki kiba ikum technical person in sapanchai ya ki benta gi di ban panchai badru ha jing lab ko jing mata kasngi ka jing pentre jong kam ka physical progress jong ka ne ka project long kumba hendru pusan hendru ku pra persen ni kene gede ka jing pentre ya ka kam ka palaya chakmat gede overall percentage jong barok ka ne ka lem ka balai ko pun beruspa kilometer. Jadi entah kadau ba kajing syam bat ka observation ga bangilap mata kasngi kade ka bangilap kidon hi gijing duna kata kade gisya bat ngila betha yake bagi de ban penbet ban penbha ya kane namar bagade hi nam ta gijing mentoy jong ba bobun balang kumba ka sarkar jela ka sarkar pedeng ki jusania aingi kumki MLA la entros pasania aingi bangin follow up bangin page kijing pentre kan long kababit kababiang habadon kijing duna kabni tagadaw laga yang jong M&A bat kini officer i jungi wan khanang hang ni long ban pentik kena ba kam gade ban biang tingene le kat bala ban address kini isya ka mariang hagane ka stem ta slap la hap kloi gidon hi jing wit lagi jing wan jong slap ni kom tairu dekat bala ngi persang ban page ya gitu gi different component gi badon bangin pendet ban la ban pendet biki agapor ka ba biang te overall observation ke jungi kalong bet ba ka jing siam ke jing lap siam hi begidon gi jing duna ni hap ban pendet gini kat bala am tang jing mentoi jong bai ba hi baro pi hang ni kubi thu ipi menne ka observation ka bangi ngilap begidon gi jing duna kini ginang up ya report written report ginang up gi bikin ai alor gitu ki issue bikin penpoi ya gini ginang yang up ya written report bukan pa hedin katang in salah ban UEV iki technical issue kumbo ong EV di ba taryang in sepensyai alor jong ka thickness alor gi kini ki issue gi benta gidon ni agaba in sai detail ban batai khnang ba ki paj ba rukin suthu menta unong lek nong wan habi ki page aganing surok nom den cha chokoi kuna katik 10 kilometer ka ba gadik intermediate lane karokom siang ka yapher bat kani ka 10 kani ka ina ka single lane ka ba wan namarman do cha chokoi kuna ka pher ka thickness pagni ka ta ka bri bat karong tigini gidi ka jing follow ka jing kat kum ka DPR kat kum ka design ka by consultant kilale gini di benta gi banakal yang jonga ngandom keren sa keren ni ba taryang halor kani kanang bagi pai ba kin sai halor kani ba de ki daw gi ba piong ba ngi ki jingduna kani tikin sai da written report ba kin justify halor kani
Habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F
Ka plus F
hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki bataye kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kam lu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shet yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya